So in your AMC, how much is the funds through MFDs and how much is through direct?
90% is from distributors. Of that 90, because let's be honest, what does a client come to an advisor or a distributor for? They come for creating some route to a financial goal that will change their life, right? Because this is not their day job, right? This is our day job. But the ability to take that experience and give the comfort to the investor.
So you were into this industry for the last 30 years.
Yes.
How did you see the journey of this mutual fund penetration? Because there are multi-baggers in mutual funds today.
Mutual funds became financial instrument in the investor's life. 50% of their investment portfolio or 5%, or to somebody who maybe 100% of their investments are in mutual funds. I'm just saying
3-4% of the population participating in mutual funds is doing good. What in case tomorrow the participation of the population increases? Those kind of companies and shares are available in Indian economy today?
Firstly, I think it's a myth to believe that the wealth creation journey for anybody over the next 5 to 10 years, if tomorrow that number was not 5 crores, it is 10 crores, 15 crores, do you believe there is enough opportunity? Hopefully will become even more relevant as India becomes the third largest economy.
So when we look at the per capita income for the NRIs in terms of INR, they make much decent money compared to average Indian. So how do you see the opportunity for them to invest in Indian mutual funds?
NRIs historically, if you think about it, have always had great comfort, fixed deposits, whether it is NRE deposits. The next 20 years for this country, which is really the Viksit Bharat objective that has been set out.
But any specific things to attract NRIs?
For future, I think our big focus is like 500,000 NRI customers who've invested in the last 1 month for the first time.
Many NRIs are not aware that they are not allowed to buy agricultural land in India.
Because they have theory on this developing to developed, right?
So,
if I was an NRI, India has still incredible opportunities.
is there any possibility in future India allowing dual citizenship?
If we as a country are very welcoming of foreign institutional investors,
Yeah.
you can say that capital markets will always be very welcoming to non-resident Indians.
So coming to the youngsters
Yes.
who are at to start their first paycheck, what is your recommendation or suggestion to the youngsters to start building their wealth for the future?
And a combination of health and term. Because buying as important. Now this may found strange coming from a mutual fund person saying,
Yes.
how are you saying that a 20-year-old should buy health insurance first? But of all the things you spend money on, medical costs have gone through the roof.